Hey guys, so today you're going to see some things a little different on your page once you open it up for social studies. So a few things that are going to be different is you're going to have a week at a glance. The week at a glance is going to tell you everything that you need to know that's going on this week. So the first and foremost, you've got them right here at the top for you. You got Monday, we're going to go over types of industry. Unit review on Tuesday. We're going to play Kahoot review on Wednesday. And then Thursday is the big test. So we'll have a test here. And we'll show you how to get through all of that. But make sure that you are using the buttons. If you are in my class, I want you to have access to the information as fast as possible. So make sure that you click each of these little dates. So on Wednesday, when you go and you take your Kahoot review, you'll click on Wednesday. Then you'll come over here and here's the link to the game. All you do is click it and you're done. So click it, play the game, have fun, and it'll show you kind of what is going to be on the test. So I hope that was a little helpful. Remember that your weekend of glances is going to be new. You're going to be seeing it each week. It's going to change. So look for those fun little things that we have for you. And if you have any questions, make sure you message me. Thanks and have a great week.